We are now here inside Gaza City. As you see, destructions behind me, complete destructions of residential buildings. Hundreds of Palestinians have been killed. Until now, we have 200 Palestinians have been killed and more than 2,000 have been wounded in continuous airstrikes and attacks in all Gaza Strip. I would like to explain about the humanitarian situations in Gaza. We have 40,000 Palestinians have been displaced in north of Gaza Strip, in east of Gaza Strip, and they sought refuge inside UNRWA schools. Also regarding the medical and the health situation in Gaza, hospitals here in urgent need for your assistance, for help. They are suffering due to shortage of medical equipment, shortage of the medical disposables, shortage of medicines. For 15 years, Ministry of Health in Gaza and Palestinian Health Authority, every day they declared about the crisis of the medicine and medical disposables. We have at least 50% shortage in all the medical disposables and medicines in Gaza hospitals. Also, yesterday and in the previous days, many Palestinians, health professionals and doctors have been killed. There's a Dr. Ayman Abu Al-Auf, he is the head of department in Al-Shifa Hospital, and also another Dr. Mu'in Al-Alul, also he's a neurologist, also doctor, and many medics have been killed during the Israeli airstrikes on Gaza Strip. These civilians, doctors, were sleeping in their homes during the airstrikes on their residential buildings. Regarding the shortage of medical equipment, we have shortage in all medical equipment, especially CTs, X-rays, other essential medical equipment. Israel, they prevent the entrance of the essential medical equipment to Gaza and to Gaza hospitals. So this has increased the suffering and the pressure on the Gaza hospitals, as we have shortage in all medical equipment. We have, because Israel prevent entrance of these equipment, and also because of the siege and poverty here in Gaza. So we have also shortage of funding. Many Palestinians, doctors have immigrated from Gaza to Europe to find suitable jobs and life there comfortable in Europe and United States. They left their jobs. So this has also put the pressures on the Palestinian Ministry of Health and the hospitals in Gaza, where these hospitals now they have shortage in the experts, in the medical professionals who have left Gaza and seek asylum. They left Gaza because there is a financial crisis. The hospitals, they cannot pay their salaries. They don't have anything to do. So they were under pressure to leave with their families to other countries like Europe and United States. From the ground of Gaza, also I would like to explain that Israel have used the phosphorus shells on Gaza, the white phosphorus, which is forbidden weapons, which is used against the Palestinian peoples. Until now, Ministry of Health, they investigated about Israel using the poisonous gas, because we as Palestinians every day we smell like different and like strange smell. It may be poisonous gas, so I think this will has effect on the life of the people in the near future. Well, maybe thousands of Palestinians will suffer from cancer and other diseases. And also, my message from here, from Gaza, to the Muslims in Turkey, to the people of Turkey, they always were supportive. I have been witness myself that about the work of the Turkish charities in Gaza. They have been doing a great job and great achievements to help the people, especially in the emergency department like EDF Charity. They are working on the ground here in Gaza, providing the emergency aid and medical support and food packs and cash aid for the people of Gaza, and providing the ambulances now. They're equipping the hospitals with ambulances and with medicine and medical disposables. So our message to people of Turkey to continue their giving to support, try to raise funds as much as they can, so that inshallah people of Gaza, they can solidarity, so that they can be on the ground stronger, so that all these families who have lost their homes, we have at least 550 homes have been completely destroyed in Gaza, and more than 2,500 apartments and buildings have been damaged. So this until now, the losses on all Gaza Strip, they exceed that $800 million. This is the total loss of all the all the Gaza sectors here. And so this, I think, this will increase the suffering of the people who are living under siege, under poverty, under COVID-19, and who are now living in this country in difficult situation.